How to lock Google Chrome with password. So first go to Google Chrome and then just left click on the three dots here at the top right. And then hover mouse over extensions and then click on visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, and once you're here, you can just type in locked, this one, browser locked. And then you can just click on add to Chrome, add extension. Now let's wait. Okay. Now here you can just click on activate now. Then click on start now. Then you just need to register here. So let's say I'm going to register for a bit. And then I'll just type in my email here. Okay. Now password, I'll just type in 123. And then click on register. Oh wait. 6 characters. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now click on register. Okay. Now here, once you're here, you just need to verify your email, or you can just do that later. And then here, now you can just set up your settings here. So once you've done that, let's try closing this and then let's try opening our browser. And then click on the browser profile. And as you can see, now my profile has been locked. Okay. So you just need to type in the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then click on login. There you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.